The state of that. Look at the state. What, I mean, seriously?
The punter's on track.
We can't even see the parade, never mind the race.
You better clean your glasses, JK.
Do you get the idea that the punters on track are believing that you just want to follow the sixes all the time?
Apparently the weather there is absolutely horrific, horizontal rain, so there's nothing that can obviously be done, and we'll just hope for the best. Seriously?
I thought it was fog, actually.
No, it's not the fog on the weir, it's the fog on the Tyne.
Yeah.